Basically, Oakes writes this book with the main question, why track our students? Especially when there is no evidence that is helping anyone, teachers or students. In fact, the research shows the contrary, that all learners are helped and more successful in a mixed or heterogeneous classroom. The most striking or compelling reason to write this book is the evidence against tracking. Another striking occurrence that Oakes points out is the lack of evidence that exists specifically for vocational tracks. There is little known whether the vocational tracks help or hinder the members in those tracks. Furthermore, there is very little to no evidence that helps us understand if it helps the learners later on in life or the industry itself. If there is little or no evidence, why are we still doing it? Why is tracking so prevalent? Even those of us who claim that our students are all on a college track, and it's a college preparatory school, we still have remnants of tracking. Districts, school leaders, parents need to think about what tracking is doing to our students, our schools, and our society at large. And that is what Oakes is calling us to do, and why she writes this book. She's calling for a long overdue reflection and on the practice of tracking. Oakes questions our assumptions and practice of tracking that are establishing and enabling inequalities in our educational system, that are setting our students up for failure. The author wants us to consider two things. There must be an alternative way to instruct our students in different groups, so in mixed groups, and have it be manageable for our teachers. And the other thing is, tracking is not worth the social problems that it's creating, even if it helps the teachers.